What is up, guys? This is El Saver checking in. Welcome back to my channel, and also welcome back to a brand new pickups review. So this is my recent pickup and is the Balenciaga Rhino Derby. So without further ado, let's jump straight into the video. This shoe right here comes in smooth calfskin. It's a lace-up derby, and it also has the chunky design like a lot of Balenciaga sneakers and shoes and boots and everything else, right? So this thing comes with a unique pyramid toe shape. Okay, and it has tone on tone laces, very tonal, making it black on black. And it has also the thick tooth rubber outsole, basically dissected in sections underneath the shoes. This thing is made in Italy. It has a 25mm arch, which is approximately 1 inch. And I also measured the heel earlier, and it's close to 2 inches. Not exact, but it still gives you a significant amount of height. This shoe right here does fit a little bit different in terms of sizing. This time I went with a 41 instead of a 42. Basically, the reason behind that is when I tried the 42, the shoe felt like the heel was slipping off, and it's crazy. My US Nike size is usually a 10, and I couldn't even do a 9 in the Rhino Derby. Another thing is, every time I tried to walk in the 42, the shoe itself felt a lot looser and not secured on my feet. I kept wondering, how is this possible? And kept wondering, like, how could I go down 2 sizes on a pair of shoes? The Balenciaga store that I went to didn't have the 41 available, so it gave me a couple of days to decide whether if I wanted a different size or whether if I wanted to stick with the 42. So after seeing some reviews, I noticed people that had the 42 that only went down 1 size. They ended up putting an insole for it to work, and obviously that wasn't the route that I wanted to go with. So I kept researching, and I noticed even on Grailed, the people that was like a size 10.5 and 11, they went with the 42. So I knew I was going in the right direction with choosing the 41. It gave me assurance that this was gonna work out perfectly for me. One thing with leather low tops is that when you put on a pair of socks and they're loose, it feels like the shoe is completely sliding and slipping off because it's very soft on the inside, and it doesn't feel like anything is gonna be gripping the bottom. For this situation, you're gonna have to get something that fits closest to your true size. I was actually really happy with the choice that I made, because this thing fits really good, and obviously when something fits good, you're gonna want to wear it more. Another thing is, I know nobody asked, for the bulldozer, just the lace ups, that one fits really tight on the ankle because of the zipper, right? For some reason, I'm a 43. I could go true to size on that one. I know I talked about the Rhino lace ups, which is the high top, in my other video, and that was my priority. I thought I was gonna go with the Rhino lace ups in the high tops. Now, lacing systems, since that one has a thicker lace, it felt like the shoe was completely snug and secured, right? So that one I could go with the 42 and be happy with it because of the thicker laces and the high top. But for the low tops, I definitely had to go an extra size down because the lacing system was so thin. That's also one of the reasons why I wanted to try them on in stores. I saw some websites, you know, they had them for like 50 bucks less or like a little bit of a discount, but I was like, if it doesn't fit, it's gonna give me more trouble returning it and doing all that process. I didn't really see a reason going with a high top in this model, is because most of my pants do cover over the pair of shoes or the boots or whatever you guys want to call it, right? So, you know, having it cover all the time, it was like kind of pointless for me to go with the high top. For this kind of decision here, I chose wisely, in a sense. So that's pretty much it with this pickup, and I hope you guys find this information helpful. I'm going to show you guys some on-feet shots, and of course, don't forget to follow, like, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.